What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the EigenLayer token on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, definitely check out the link in the description. Sign up through that and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So for the next step, log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage, and then we will go to the search bar right on top. Click on it and type in EIGEN. And there it is. We will select it, and now you are at the token page. As you can see, we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 1000 euros, and then you will see you will get 700 of this token. Click on the payment method to select your preferred payment method. If it's not over here, then just add it by clicking on this button below. And then go back to the overview. After that, click on review order. And now I will give you guys a good tip to save yourself a lot of money. If you buy coins or trade coins on Coinbase, then you will pay a transaction fee. If you would like to save a lot of money, just use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days. And after that, it is like 25 euros a month. But you can save yourself already on this trade 38 euros. So calculate it yourself, but if you trade up to 10k, every time you do a purchase or a trade, you will save this amount of money. So definitely check that out. After that, you can click on buy now to add the coins automatically to your assets on the left. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!